Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jun. I'm so glad to have all of you guys back. We were talking about how to do the two-digit numbers in Chinese in last video, and we're going to talk about how we count the three-digit numbers in today's video. Before we get to know it, we have to know that we have basic units in Chinese numbers. For example, from numbers from 1 to 9, the unit is called 个 with the first tone. 个 个. From numbers from 10 to 99, the unit is 十. So 99, that is 9, 10, 9. When it translates to English literally from Chinese. Okay, so the unit for hundreds is called 百 with the third tone. 百 百. So when you read three-digit numbers in Chinese, you simply need to read the numbers and the unit. For example, like 123, that is 100, 210, 3. If you translate to English literally from Chinese, I mean. So you don't have to put and or hyphen between numbers. So it's like 123. So even 个 is a unit for numbers from 1 to 9, but when we read the natural numbers, we don't really say 个. So it's only like a 1, 百, 2, 10, 3. 123. We don't say 个. So if you want to read the three-digit numbers in Chinese, all you need to remember is to know how to count numbers from 1 to 9 in Chinese, and then remember two units, 百 for 100, 十 for 10. Then you can read three-digit numbers in Chinese. That's very simple. If you don't know how to read the numbers from 1 to 9 in Chinese, we talked about this in last video. You can go and check it out. I already put it over there. Okay, let's now do some practice. For example, like the number here, 241. So we read this number in this order in Chinese. So first of all, you need to read 2 in Chinese. That is 二. And then you read the unit, 百. 100. And then you read the number 4. That is 四. Then you read the unit, that is 十. And the last, you read the last number here, 1, that is 一. So in Chinese, that is 241. 241. Okay, so let's now see this one. Which one do you read the first? Yes, 七, 7 first. Okay, very good. And then we read what? We read the unit, that is 百. So that is 700. And then we read which number? Yes, we read 5, that is 五. And then we read the unit for 五, that is 十. And last we read the 3 here, 三. So it's 753. 753. Okay, now I'll read the three-digit numbers in Chinese for listening practice. And if you know the answer, please leave it in the comment box. 365. 365. Okay, so this is everything for this video for reading three-digit numbers in Chinese. And if you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!